Hello everyone, welcome to MEP Booster. So in this lecture, we'll explain you the flex duct professional routine trick. So let's start. So now here, once if you have done the placement of diffuser and the mechanical equipment like I have placed FCU, now what you need to do, just select the mechanical equipment. You would be able to see the out option. You can create the duct. Just right click on this drag point, draw duct option is available, hit on that. Now you can draw the main duct route. Okay, see this, here we have drawn the main duct route. Can you see? Like this. Now you can move it. You can change the size of this duct as per your requirement, because right now we are not doing the sizing. So just select it. See, the width is 48 inch, height 14 inch. So I'm just reducing the width as 32 inch is enough. Now you can move the duct little bit up. Now what we need to do, as I told you, here I will show you the flex duct professional routine trick. So it is very simple. You need to select the diffuser from the drawing, okay, like this. Then in the modify tab, layout panel, see the connect into option is given. Just hit on connect into, and now you need to select the required duct from the drawing. Simple, like this. See, the means here it is connected. Diffuser is connected with the main duct. Okay, you can see in the 3D view like this. So from here, just hit on fine, and I will show you in the shaded view. Can you see the duct is connected? Now the next thing which is very important, which I want to show you, the flex duct professional routine trick. So for that, simple, if you want to convert this into the flex duct, so it is very simple. Come here in the system tab. In system tab, HVAC panel, here one option is given, convert to flex duct. You can use the shortcut CV. Okay, just hit on convert to flex duct. Now here in the option bar, they will ask you the how much maximum length of flex duct you want. So maximum length, normally the flex duct maximum length is 1.5 meter. Okay, so here I am just using 5 feet, let's say. Got it? I have entered the 5 feet. Now you need to select the diffuser from the drawing. Okay, like this. See, it is converted into flex duct. Can you see? Now you can also change the pattern of this flex duct. How? Select the flex duct. In the properties palette, the flex pattern is right now is single line. You can change it as a flex. Got it? See how we have done. Now same way I will show you in 3D view for another. Like here we have, so first you need to select the diffuser, connect into option, select the duct, see like this, and then finally in the system tab, convert to flex, hit on that, and you can select the maximum length as per your requirement and hit the diffuser. See, now to change the pattern, select the flex duct from the drawing, and from here you can change the pattern as per your requirement. Got it? So in this way you need to do. So come here in the 2D view. I think you have understood now. Select it, same process, connect into, select the duct, and now from here convert to flex duct and select it, it will convert it. And now to change the pattern, just you need to zoom and select the flex and change it as a flex. See, the pattern is also changed. Now same way for this one, you can just place it like, select it, connect into, select the duct like this. See, the duct is connected, and then finally hit on in the HVAC panel, convert to flex, give the maximum length and select the diffuser. Now see, it is converted, but you want to change the pattern, so select the flex duct, and from here properties palette, change it as a flex. Now you would be able to see in 3D how we have converted. Okay, so this is all about flex duct professional routine trick. Hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.